Now we talk about Parliament with more information. Parliament, how to control government, then we begin. The Parliament has several ways to control the government and its actions, ensuring accountability and transparency. Let's learn about some of these methods. Tarankan questioning and answering, Tarankan. The Parliament has 3 sessions in a year, during which members of Parliament, MPs, can ask ministers questions about their departments, policies and actions. This is a significant way to scrutinize the government's actions. This includes question hour, 0 hour, and discussions on bills or proposals after lunch. Tarankan debates, Tarankan. During parliamentary debates, MPs can discuss and challenge government policies and decisions. These debates can influence governmental actions, followed by voting. Tarankan committees, Tarankan. Various types of committees are formed in Parliament as needed, such as Select Committees, Financial Committees including the Estimates Committee, Public Accounts Committee and Committee on Public Undertakings which oversee government expenditure. Departmental committees review subjects like railways, education, etc. Inquiry committees address public issues, and service committees discuss salaries and allowances. These committees monitor government actions and hold ministers accountable. They can seek evidence from experts and summon ministers to explain their decisions. Tarankan no confidence motion, Tarankan. Through a no confidence motion, Parliament can express a lack of confidence in the government. If it passes, it usually leads to the resignation of the government or general elections. For instance, in 1999, during Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government, a no confidence motion was brought and his government fell due to a shortfall of 1 vote. Tarankan legislation, Tarankan. Parliament reviews, amends, and votes on proposed laws. Through this process, it can accept, reject, or amend government bills. Tarankan financial control, Tarankan. Parliament must approve government spending, which occurs through the budget. The government withdraws funds from the Consolidated Fund via the Appropriation Act and spends them. MPs scrutinize budget proposals to ensure proper use of funds. Tarankan petitions and public demands, Tarankan. MPs can present petitions on behalf of the public, which can lead to parliamentary debates and potential government action. Tarankan adjournment debates, Tarankan. These short debates occur at the end of each day, where MPs can raise specific issues, allowing them to scrutinize and draw attention to government actions or policies. Tarankan written questions, Tarankan. MPs can submit written questions to ministers, who must provide detailed written responses, providing insights into various government actions. Tarankan impeachment and investigation, Tarankan. In some parliamentary systems, MPs have the right to impeach government officials or investigate misconduct or abuse of power, preventing arbitrary actions within the democratic framework. All these methods collectively ensure that the government remains accountable to Parliament and the electorate. Further information related to Parliament will be discussed later. Thank you.